draws a lot of attention. Brings a lot of smiles on people's faces when you drive down the street. You don't think that'll drive people crazy, do you? It used to be a lot louder than that. Well, I can't hardly say except I liked it. When I first seen it, it was way out there by Tinker Field, out in the field. The pack rats that ate the spark plug wires off of it, so it didn't take much to get it running. 79, I believe. People coming by, seeing it. People trying to buy it. There's always somebody trying to buy that old car. Not for sale. I want to sell my chicken. I know it came out of probably like South Carolina, I think, or somewhere like that. I'm not sure. There's one in Dallas that sits on an Oldsmobile instead of Cadillac. And then there's one in Memphis, Tennessee. I haven't seen it, but some of my kinfolks seen it. I'd love to have $1 for everybody who took a picture with it. It draws a lot of attention. I mean, you can drive it and people will wave at you, and laugh at you, and give you the signs up.
Especially for little kids in their car.
Yeah. Well, even the grown-ups just as bad.
Well, yeah.
They have a lot of fun. Like I said, it draws a lot of attention.
Get a load of this wedding caravan. Ron Osborne and Sharon Carpenter exchanged their wedding vows this morning at the Oklahoma County Courthouse. But they left on their honeymoon in a strange-looking car. The foul vehicle belonged to the best man, Osborne's cousin, who wanted to make sure the couple had a memorable wedding day.
Just to keep it. Tell my kids get it. And then I don't know what'll happen to it. We've had it, like I said, a lot of years. It's like I said, it's good advertising.
What's the most someone's ever offered?
20,000.
20,000. Burn down 20,000. Wow.
That shows I don't want to sell it very bad.